What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Starting a new video today for you, a new build on a 2023 GMC Sierra 1500. This is the SLT package. Super excited. We're doing a 9-inch McGaughys lift kit with the upper control arms. We're doing some 26-inch hardcore HC23 wheels, and we're doing some 37-inch Gladiator X-Comp tires. I know this truck's going to look amazing. It's for a customer named Dante. It was a pretty quick sale, pretty quick, we did this last week. Like, we're in here doing the install this week, so it was a quick impulse deal. He's expecting the truck back by this weekend. I think we're going to surprise him. Today's Wednesday. We're going to try to have it done for him today or tomorrow. He thinks Friday, though, so stay tuned and see if we can get it done. I'm about to get out and show you what the truck looks like. So this may sound a little petty, but I got to tell you something important that happened. If you're longtime subscribers of the channel, you'll know that the driving school here at the shop has been... They're good. They're good people. I love them. But they've been in my way for a couple of years, right? They've been parking their cars everywhere in the background and getting in my way when I'm trying to take my pictures. And I try to be nice because they're nice to me, but it's really a big nuisance. And there's cones everywhere in the back parking lot in the way. They're in the background of all my thumbnail pictures. You'll know this if you've been a regular, long-time subscriber. Well, they moved. Their business is still good. Everybody's happy. Everybody's making money. But they move locations. So the parking lot is mine again. All of it. So get ready for some better content. No orange cones in the background, hopefully. I'm excited. It's the little wins in life. You know what I mean? It's the little things. So here's our beautiful 2023 GMC Sierra 1500. This is the SLT trim. It's one step below the Denali. It has all the bells and whistles. Has the nice interior, the big screen. Has chrome all over it. I think the only difference really is with the Denali, you get a bunch of extra stuff like Super Cruise, and you get all the fancy interior upgrades. You get painted bumpers on the front. You get more chrome on the grill. But to be honest with you, for the price difference, I'd probably get an SLT if it was just me. And it doesn't have the magnetic ride control on it, so that means we can actually use the strut from McGaughys, which is really cool. This kit is going to be the black and silver kit. Black and chrome accent kit with the black and chrome accents on the upper control arms, the stainless steel accents as they call them. This the wheel is going to be the hardcore HC23, so it's going to be a black and milled wheel. It will match the lift kit perfectly, and this silver goes with everything, with the mixture of the chrome in the grill and the black in the grill, the chrome on the bumpers, and the rest of the black accents around the truck. I think this is going to tie in together very, very well. Very excited to get started on it. Check out my new spot out here where the cones used to be for the driving school. This is Jake's land out here now. We're gonna be filming some trucks. I appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned for the build.
it's the rack.
You know, this body style never gets old to me. I love the 1500s. I love the GMCs and the Chevrolets. I don't really know which one I like more. I think the GMCs look a little tougher in the front like this whenever they're lifted, but I may be wrong on that. You guys may have a different opinion. The McGaughys lift kit looks great no matter where you put it. This is that beautiful cross member. The black and silver accents look amazing on it. The axle angles look great. You really can't go wrong with this truck, or this lift kit, I mean. The struts that you see in the front here are McGaughys struts. They have adjusting rings right there at the top where you can adjust it from 7 to 8 to 9 inches. Like I said, the axle angles look great, so I don't think it's really a problem if you set it any of the settings. So we also added the upper control arms from McGaughys right here. This is a wonderful upgrade. You really need it for the 9-inch setting. You don't have to have it for the 7-inch, but if you run the kit up to 9 and use the stock control arms, the ball joint's at a bad angle, and you know how these Chevy factory control arms, if you overextend them, they're notorious for breaking, but if you don't overextend them, they don't. So don't think it's a bad part, but just it's not made to be stretched. The kit comes with kicker braces or strut tensioner bars, is what they call them under there. They look really, really good. I love that. You can also add the traction bars to the rear if you choose to, but you do not have to. It's mainly an aesthetic look thing. The truck looks great. The 26x14 hardcore HC23 wheels. Can't really go wrong on that. Really good price, really good wheel. Has a really nice look to it. And then you put the 37 1350 26 Gladiator on there. It's one of the most aggressive, best looking tires we have in this size. It's not the most comfortable tire in this size, but it is the best looking one in my opinion. I've owned several sets of these. They're not that bad. They have a little vibration at 80, you know what I mean? But if you want a really, really smooth ride, first off, 26s are probably not the choice. But Furies are the best riding 26-inch tire that I've found. If you want an excellent ride, go 24s and get Nittos or Toyos. If you guys have any questions about this truck, feel free to call the shop. The number here is 678-994-9180. My name is Jake. I'm here Monday through Friday, 8 to 6, so I should be able to take your call if you call up and wait for me. If not, there's other guys that work here that are just as intelligent, if not more intelligent than I am about this stuff. So please give me a call if you want to see what this build would cost. I'm going to attach a price in the clip following this video, or in the clip following this clip, there'll be a price. So if you guys are curious, there it is. I appreciate everybody watching.